John, you need it on set?
I'm coming.
Rest of those dishes can wait till tomorrow. Mommy, thank you for all your help today. You're awesome. As always. It's cold out there. Make sure you bundle up. Oh yeah, I will definitely. Just extra solid. Behind you. Okay, peace, brother. Oh. It's a long day. It's a good day. 8 years, base. No one but John and I shut the fridge the right way. Ow! 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 Oh my gosh, help! Somebody help! Somebody help! Somebody help! Somebody help! Ah! Ah! Ah!
Soda is stocked. We're so ready to reopen.
Oh, I'm so excited. So excited to have you. So excited to reopen.
Yes.
Quick reminder. So the last person who worked here somehow fell and broke their neck on the fridge. So just be aware of that and be careful.
Okay. Well, hopefully it won't happen again. I'll just keep cleaning. Would you shut off the light on your way out, please?
Oh, absolutely. All right. See you tomorrow.
Thank you. See you. Oh, there is still some blood here from when they broke their neck.
Doesn't a bubbly water sound good right now?
Bubbly water does sound good right now.
John,
Yeah.
don't forget to restock the bean burrito supplies.
Right, it's game night tomorrow. We could run out of bean burrito supplies.